Hi guys, welcome to a series of tutorials on MIT App Inventor. MIT App Inventor is a powerful tool for Android app development, and thanks to it, you don't need to have any prior knowledge of any sorts of computer programming. So, let's get started. To start, open up your web browser and search for MIT App Inventor 2. Now, click on the link that says MIT App Inventor 2. That's usually the first link. Now remember, to log on to MIT App Inventor 2, you will need a Gmail account. And if you don't have a Gmail account, just create one. Now, to start with MIT App Inventor, we will make a very basic app. Now, the name of our app is Talk to Me because, well, it talks back to you. To start a new project, click on the Start New Project button on the top left corner of the screen. Name your app Talk to Me. Remember, you cannot use spaces while naming an app. Click on OK. And you will be greeted by what we call the designer screen. Now, designer screen has all the components that you would need for your app. So start by dragging on a button component and drop it on the screen. Let's change its position. Go to the screen 1 component and set the values for align horizontal and align vertical to center. Now let's change what our button says. Click on button 1 component and go to text. Delete whatever that's written and write Talk to Me. Since we want our app to say something, we will need another component. Go to the media drawer and drag out a text-to-speech component block and drop it on the screen. You cannot see that component onto the screen, but it's there. These kind of components are called non-visible components. Now we are done with our components. Now we need to program their behavior. To do that, click on the blocks button on the top right corner of the screen. Now the screen we are in is called the blocks editor. Here we can program how our app will work. To do that, click on the button 1 component and see all the blocks that it has. Drag out when button 1.click block. Now what we want is when we press the button, the app should say a message. To do that, go to the text-to-speech 1 component and drag out a call text-to-speech 1.speak message block. Now how do you connect this? You can see that both the blocks have same kind of ridges. Just simply connect them together. Now you see the message socket is a little bit empty, right? So we need to put a message here. So go to the text block and drag out a plain text block. Now connect it to the message socket and write whatever message you want your app to say. And we are done with our app. Thank you.